The Life Nature Library was a popular series of hardbound books published by Time Life between 1961 and 1965. It was translated into 8 different languages and sold in 90 countries around the world. They were intended for, and written at a level appropriate to, an educated lay readership. Each volume was written by a primary author, or authors, and the editors of Life. The 25 volumes in the series were, The Forest, 1961, revised 1963, by Peter Farb. The Sea, 1961, revised 1963, by Leonard Engel. The Desert, 1961, revised 1962, by A. Milne and Marjorie Milne. Evolution, 1962, revised 1964, by Ruth Moore. The Poles, 1962, revised 1968, by Willy Ley. The Earth, 1962, revised 1963, by Arthur Beiser. The Universe, 1962, revised 1966, 1967, by David Bergamini. The Insects, 1962, by Peter Farb. The Birds, 1963, by Roger Torrey Peterson. The Plants, 1963, by Fris W. Went. The Mammals, 1963, by Richard Carrington. The Fishes, 1963, revised 1964, by F.D. Amani. The Reptiles, 1963, by Archie Carr. Ecology, 1963, by Peter Farb. The Land and Wildlife of North America, 1964, revised 1966, by Peter Farb. The Land and Wildlife of Africa, 1964, by Archie Carr. The Land and Wildlife of South America, 1964, by Marston Bates. The Land and Wildlife of Tropical Asia, 1964, by S. Clark Howell. Animal Behavior, 1965, by Nico Tinbergen. The Primates, 1965, by Sorel Imerl and Irvin Devore. A Guide to the Natural World and Index to the Life Nature Library, 1965, A Guide to the Natural World and Index to the Life Nature Library.